Hello everyone, here I'm bringing to you a shop window advertising display solution. It came with a portable 4-stand bracket. No need to do a hard job with selling installation anymore. Just put the display on the portable 4-stand bracket and quickly start your advertising business. And it's with a high brightness screen. It's viewable under sunlight directly. Now let's unpack it and install it. This is the high brightness screen display. This is the base, and with 2 poles. And the accessories, wheels, a user manual book, and the inside with remote controller, screwdrivers, keys, and a USB disk. This is with a handle and plastic cover. This pack is screws. Here is the height scale. We can choose a height scale when we install the pole and the screen.